How to fret again jungle style bass. First pick a pulse wave table for oscillator A. Lower it down 1 octave. Bump it to fine tune a little bit and slightly detune it with 2 voices. Leave oscillator B the same, 1 octave down, -12 fine tune. Select mono legato and bump up the portamento a little bit. Shape the sub like this. Select direct out. Add in a little bit of noise. We'll be using a band pass filter for the filtering. With a little bit drive and fatness. And a little bit less mixing. Sounding like this. Now let's dive into the effects. Add a diode 2 distortion. And shape it like this. Select the high 12 filter to get rid of the low end, because we already got a sub for that. And shape the filter just a little bit more. So in the track, the bass sounds like this.